I was just scrolling through Amazon and I found some of the weirdest products ever. Like, who is actually buying these? From fish flip-flops to a phone that does absolutely nothing, these bizarre finds are 100% real. And I've got their prices and ratings to prove it. Some are genius, some are just plain ridiculous. But all of them will make you say, why does this exist? So let's dive into 17 of the strangest Amazon products you can actually buy. Number 1 is the Ostrichpillow, one of Amazon's weirdest finds that will totally change the way you nap. With micro beads filled with 95% air, this pillow is super lightweight, giving you the perfect balance of comfort and support. Ideal for long flights or your daily commute. Its patented design provides sensory isolation, blocking out light and distractions for a peaceful, undisturbed rest, even in the middle of chaos. And don't worry about maintenance. It's super easy to clean with a quick hand wash, air dry, and it's ready for your next nap. Number 2 is the Croissant Pillow, the 28-inch giant bread loaf pillow that looks so real you'll almost want to take a bite. This whimsical pillow features lifelike colours and detailing, making it the perfect blend of fun and comfort. Whether you're lounging or reading, its curved shape gives you firm, cosy support. Crafted from ultra-soft plush fabric and filled with PP cotton, it's silky smooth to the touch. You won't want to stop cuddling with it. This oversized croissant pillow adds a touch of humour and charm to any room. Check it out on Amazon and make your space a little more fun and comfy with this giant, lovable croissant pillow. Number 3 is the Shark Blanket, a wearable, ultra-soft flannel hoodie that turns you into a cozy, couch-loving predator. Made from plush, high-quality flannel, this blanket is not just warm and comfortable. It's built to last through all your lounging adventures. With its fun shark tail and hoodie design, it transforms ordinary loungewear into a full-on shark experience. Perfect for movie nights, travel, or even costume parties. So why settle for an ordinary blanket? Grab the Shark Blanket hoodie and bring a little ocean fun to your cozy days. Number 4 is the Shocktato party game, a shocking twist on the classic hot potato that'll have your friends jumping and screaming. This electrifying game is perfect for parties, featuring 3 intense game modes. Go extreme for an unpredictable shock. Play normal where the music stops and the zaps begin. Or go lame mode, if you're too scared to handle the fun. It even has a music-only mode for younger kids, so everyone can join in on the action, without the jolts. 'Tis got built-in safety features to keep things fun and controlled. Number 5 is the Brick Electric Waffle Maker. Because why just eat breakfast when you can build it first? This patent-pending waffle maker creates 14 mini-building brick-shaped waffles in minutes, single, double, and even quadruple brick sizes. Get creative and build waffle houses, towers, or even an entire breakfast city before taking a delicious bite. Number 6 is the bone pens. Because why use a regular pen when you can write with a skeleton's arm? This set includes 15 bone-shaped ballpoint pens in 5 different designs, making your writing experience creepier. Cooler than ever. Lightweight and easy to carry, these pens fit in your bag, pocket, or even your anatomy class survival kit. So, if you're ready to write like a skeleton in style, grab the bone pens now, because normal pens are just too basic. Number 7 is wool dryer balls. Because apparently your laundry needs fluffy little sidekicks. These 100% New Zealand wool balls speed up drying time by 35%, prevent tangles, and keep your clothes static-free and wrinkle-free. They're completely natural, with 0 additives, making them a reusable, eco-friendly alternative to dryer sheets, lasting for over 1,000 loads. Less drying time means lower electricity bills and softer, cozier clothes, without weird chemicals. So if you're ready to level up your laundry game, grab these wool dryer balls and make your dryer work smarter. Number 8 is chicken leg socks, because why settle for regular legs when you could have chicken legs? These socks feature a hilariously detailed chicken foot design, so every step you take looks like you're strutting around the farm. The widened top keeps them in place, so you don't have to keep pulling them up mid-chicken dance. Perfect for pranks, gifts, or just confusing your pets, these socks turn any walk into a farmyard fashion statement. Number 9 is the umbrella hat, because regular umbrellas are just too mainstream. This fashion statement features bright, colourful patterns, making you look like a walking rainbow at any event. It comes with an adjustable elastic headband, so kids, adults, and even that one friend who always forgets their umbrella can wear it comfortably. It folds down just like a normal umbrella, making it super easy to carry on the go. Number 10 is Grim Steeper. Just fill this tiny reaper with your favourite loose-leaf tea. Hang his mighty scythe on your mug and let him steep your drink straight into the afterlife. It's easy to clean, because even the Grim Reaper hates scrubbing dishes. Just rinse it or toss it in the dishwasher. So, if you like your tea with a side of dark humour, the Grim Steeper is ready to serve for eternity. Number 11 is Meat Claws, because who needs forks when you can shred your meat like a beast? These bad boys make shredding pork, chicken, or beef easy, and they're designed to save your hands from the mess. Clean up? No worries. Toss them in the dishwasher and you're good to go. With a firm grip and a pro-quality shred, they're perfect for anyone who loves BBQ, or just loves making a mess in style. Number 12 is Sticky Hands, the toy that sticks to everything except your patience. With 29 colourful hands in the pack, these toys are perfect for slapping, sticking, and making your friends question your life choices. These sticky hands glow in the dark. Just let them soak up some light and watch them shine when the lights go out. And they come individually wrapped, making them the ultimate party favour. Because who doesn't want to fling sticky hands at the ceiling during a party? Number 13 is Shark Slippers, because why walk like a human when you can glide like a shark? With a cute shark design and plush interior, these slippers turn your feet into underwater creatures, offering a cloud-like feeling with every step. The thick memory foam insole cradles your feet, giving you all the comfort you need for lounging, cooking, or even playing fetch with the dog. And don't worry about slipping. The durable, non-slip sole keeps you steady while you roam the land like the apex predator you are. Number 14 is the electric lighter, because lighting up your world should be as easy as flipping a switch. With its windproof, splash-proof design, this lighter works in any weather, so you can light candles, grills, or campfires no matter what nature throws at you. Not only is it eco-friendly, but one charge lasts for up to 600 uses, so you're saving both the planet and your wallet. And with its sleek, slender design, lighting candles has never looked so elegant. Perfect for creating that cozy atmosphere and style. Number 14 is the No Phone Air, the most revolutionary non-existent phone you never knew you didn't need. It features a thin, light, and completely invisible design. So light, you'll forget you're not even holding it. With absolutely no headphone jack, no battery, and no features, it's the least advanced device ever created. Talk about cutting edge. Finally, a phone that's 100% distraction-free and 100% non-existent. Forget cracked screens and low battery warnings. There's literally nothing to worry about. Next up, the fish flip-flops, because nothing says style like having two giant fish wrapped around your feet. They're lightweight, shock-proof, and flexible enough for any adventure, from lounging at home to making waves at the beach. Perfect for fishing lovers, partygoers, or just anyone who enjoys weird, hilarious footwear. These flops are the real catch. This LED mask isn't just a mask. It's a full-on light show for your face. With 25 dynamic modes and 25 static designs, you can switch up your look with a simple wave of your hand. Packed with 234 lamp beads and vibrant RGB LEDs, this mask stays lit for 10 plus hours. Perfect for parties, raves, or just freaking people out. It's breathable, comfortable, and fits both kids and adults because style should never be limited by age.